Hello and welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Tech Channel 24. Today, I am going to show you very important things while using your VPS. How to check your system resources, how it is working, where the maximum resource input has been taken, so that you can track it, and optimize it. If unnecessary things are open, you can suspend or close it so that you can get maximum optimization and super fast VPS. So let's start. Now, what you have to do first, you need to log into your VPS so that I can show you and you can follow all my steps. Let's log into the VPS. I have already logged into the VPS which is in front of you. If you don't know how to access, you are new and you don't know how to access your VPS, just go above right hand side the I button and click how to access your VPS. Okay, now let's start. Without wasting any time, what we need to do, just come down to the taskbar and right click. You will find Task Manager. Just open the Task Manager. Once you open the Task Manager, what you have to do over here is you need to go to Performance tab. Okay, you have a process and then a Performance tab where you can track the performance. In the last video, I have shown you all this stuff, right? But today, what we are going to do, we have to monitor the resource more deeply. Okay, in that case, you have to come down to Open Resource Monitor. Okay, click on Open Resource Monitor and there will be a pop-up window coming in front of you. Can you see this window? Yes. Let me make it very simple and organize it to you. Okay, how to follow it, what to do with it. Okay, step by step without wasting single moment. Now, just see what you can see in this particular picture. Okay, what are here and what are. First of all, you have a monitor page. Click on monitor. See, you are having an option over here to start monitoring and stop. If you click on stop monitoring, it will stop all the thing that was being monitored by the resource monitor. Okay, so you have to click on start monitoring to start all the monitoring process that needs to be monitored. Okay, in the same way, if you click on monitor, you will get auto fit columns in Windows because there are a lot of things it is monitoring over here. Okay, a lot of things, and you need to understand and read it very clear manner. So in that case, what you need to do, click on auto fit columns in Windows. What will happen? It will feed each and everything. There are a few things, okay, like the path of the disk, what you can't do it because it takes a lot of space, So it's so not worry about that. What you can understand, what you can see, whatever it is reading and writing, inputs and outputs of the process. So what I'll do, I'll maximize this page to make a better vision for you. Okay, so let us maximize it, and here it is. Now let's come to the first tab of overview. In the overview page, you can see the CPU, disk, network, and not last least the memory. Okay, so let's start with the CPU. For example, it is tracking everything, monitoring. See the status, it's running. Now, if you want to see a single thing which is having or processing and where and what it is doing, you have to click that. If you're clicking on image, okay, it will automatically check each and every process and it will track the use of it for you. Okay, and if you want to go for a single thing, like for example, if you want, like, click on system, okay, and you want to monitor only the system, what will happen? It will only monitor the system, like how much space it is taking in your system, okay, in the disk, okay, how much network does that particular module require. Then come down the system that you have selected, how much RAM it is taking. So you can see the module over here, which is divided into disk, network and RAM. Okay. For an example, if I want to check, okay, other thing like I come to CPU, okay, and once I come to CPU, again I have the services, then I'm having the association handle module and the other modules. Now how to check the performance? For an example, I just want to check the performance of my system once again, as I've told you. Okay, so let's come down and see where I'm getting my system over here. Yes, as you can see, there is nothing running. Okay, nothing running in my VPS right now. So you will not find each and everything over here because nothing is running. If I try to open my Google Chrome, okay, it started working. Okay, it started working. So what will happen? Let's minimize it and get back to my resource page. Now what I can see is there is Google Chrome over here. Correct? So once I click on Google Chrome, it will give me the services that it's taking. If you come down to check the other modules like association handles, okay, the associated handles and the modules, what is required by the Google Chrome, we can check it over here. The same way, if we come down, we can check the modules which is taken with it. Okay, remember one thing, let me show you one more thing. Like I'm checking this, okay, and coming to overview. Whatever we will do it over here. For example, if I'm selecting Google Chrome and all the details are here, okay, the networking, the disk amount that it's taking, and the memory that has been required for the particular process. Okay, in the same way, you can see the bars over here, the bar views, where you can see the CPU users, disk, and networking and memories. As I'm not using much things, so these things are very much plain unused. Okay, so I believe you can understand. In your case, while you're running a lot of applications and all, it will not show you in this method. It will show you in method that it is really. Okay, if you click all and see, can you see this? The orange, green, and everything. Whatever process is working, it's showing each and every graph over here. The maximum number of disks taken. Still, the memory RAM is low because still I'm not running any applications. I'll come to CPU once again and I'll go down to show you, like I'm using Google Chrome, right? It's open over here. So in the CPU users, if I go and click on Chrome, okay, here we go. It will show you the entire module of associated handles and modules it has been using. Okay. One more thing. Whatever you select over here in the overview page, automatically it will take the same selection in CPU, in memory, in disk, and networking. Can you see this? Was whatever you select over here was. Now, to just make that understand what I'll do. So, I'll just check the memory. Okay, how much memory the Chrome is taking? It's been shown over here. The very low memory, it's not taking any reserved thing because it's just open and you can check it over here. Same way, if you come to disk, it will show you how much disk space it is taking. Okay, and in networking, how much networking space, the bandwidth and everything is taking. Can you see this? So, these things are making much more easier for you to understand what process is going on in your VPS. Okay, so you can understand and you can implement and take an action to close that particular thing from here. And one more thing, if you want to close it from your open source monitor, for example, as I've shown you about the Google Chrome, if you want to close that process in your memory, if you see a good Chrome and you see that it's taking a lot of memory as of now and you don't want to use it, just go to it and right click. Okay, you can suspend the process for some time. If you suspend the process, it will give you a time or an option to resume the process later on. For example, I click on suspend and it will be suspended. In the pop-up, we have to click suspend process. Click on it. The process has been suspended. Okay, it's not working as of now, it's not active. Right click and resume the process. Okay, now it will again reconfirm, resume the process, and you will get it. If you want to end the process, okay, or end the process sheet or whatever things are connected with this particular application will be closed if you click on end process tree or end process to just end the Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm closing it. I believe you guys have understood. I'm closing my VPS right now. Any questions you have, any more things you want to learn about VPS, just go down below and comment. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.